Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I am going to feature 18-inch natural color clip-ins from Eayonhair, okay? This is what came in the packet. It's 3 butterfly clips, okay, and 3 packs of the 18-inch natural color clip-ins. You guys know I went through a whole thing where I was doing the tape-ins, and you guys know the history with the tape-ins. I'm not really a fan of the tape-ins anymore because of the simple fact that they get matted. Well, the curly ones anyway, and you know, once they get matted, it's really hard to take them out. But that is why you see a couple inches missing from my hair, because I did have to cut like 4 inches off of my hair. But what I'm going to do is, my hair is freshly washed, guys, and I'm literally just going to blow my hair out, put in the sections. Going to use this blowout cream that I got from Dark and Lovely. It's like a blowout cream, super lightweight, almost like a leave-in conditioner, but it's supposed to shield against damage, etc. After I blow everything out, I am going to flat iron it with the Baby Bliss Nano Pro flat iron. Okay, y'all, so as far as clip-ins, these are probably the easiest thing that you can do. It's the same effect as like tape-ins or a sew-in. It's just that your hair is left in between the tracks. So I got 3 packs. If you want to make it super full, you can do 3 packs. I'm only going to use 1.5 to 2 packs. That's always works for me in regards to anything. So I'm just leaving some room in the back. That way, if I want to pull it up, I can. And I'm just literally going to start sliding it. So every pack comes with about 8 to 9 pieces, and the longest piece has 3 clips in it, and that's a piece that you can kind of wrap around your head as you climb up the head. Okay, so yeah, so you're able to literally, like I said, do a full head with 2 packs for sure. And then the smaller pieces will go more so towards the top, like the ones with 2. And then there isn't any 1. Now if there is a clip-in that is too long, you guys, you can always just cut it to fit your head. Like, you can always adjust it. That's one great thing about clip-ins. You literally can always adjust it, and you can take them out every like day or 2 or 2 or 3 days, or just keep them in. They do eventually start to slide out. That's why I just kind of like take them out and replace them in a different spot or the same spot every like 3 days. Super easy, guys. You see how quick and easy it is? Once you silk press everything out, everything is like smooth sailing after that. Okay, y'all, so like once I am done, I'm going to just go over with it, flat iron in bigger pieces, only because it's already straight. It just has a little bit of wave in it. And then I'm literally just going to do some flat iron curls and curl them to the back of my head so that way it can like naturally feather. You'll see what I'm talking about. I'm literally just going to do like barrel curls with the flat iron, let it sit for a minute, and just kind of like comb it. And guys, super easy, super quick, and very natural. I highly recommend this company. The clip-ins were super flat, very easy to attach, and they did not slide, which is a big thing for me. The natural color isn't my exact color. It's probably like a color number 2, and my hair is a color number 1B. It was slightly lighter than my hair, but as you guys can see, there really isn't much of a difference. I think I may like bleach it, because you can like bleach this hair, it's human hair and everything. So if you guys are looking for some affordable clip-ins and some durable ones, something that you can style easily as well as color easily, make sure you click on the link in my description box for discount, as well as for the exact hair that I got in my head. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye.
I don't even see you out there. Trying to pick a side, try to split up all the fanfare. I'm not all of this, but you're giving me a hard time. Take you out to stress, run away from all the bad vibes. You make it hard to share. Tell me you're real out there. So used to all the fun, and then you're gone. You don't know the care. You forget I'm there. You don't know the care. You forget I'm there. Can I ask you out? Promise me you will stay. Singing all alone, undercover lovers these days. Give you one more chance, say you're not if you want more. Make you